here we are going to show you how to prepare instant gulab jamun with breads. First of all, cut the edges of bread. And add them to the blender. Now we are having fine powder of bread. Take this powder in a bowl. Add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, milk powder, and pour some milk. Mix these ingredients well and knead a soft dough. Now keep the mixture aside for 15 to 20 minutes. Take 1 cup of sugar and the same amount of water. Boil it till the sugar is dissolved. Now turn off the heat and cool the syrup up to room temperature. Now make small balls of dough. And fry the balls till turns golden brown. Your gulab jamun balls are ready. Now take the sugar syrup, add cardamom powder and fried gulab jamuns to it. Serve these gulab jamuns with dry fruits and saffron.